What is up, y'all? It's your girl Jaz'Men in real life, and I'm back with another Vlogmas video. As you can see, I have been being serious this time. You can see my little lighting and stuff in the background. So today, me and my mom is heading to Big Lots. She want to check out their home decor stuff for Christmas. Since I already did like a garland on her stairwell thingy, I will show y'all that. So this is what I did. If you want to see like where I got some of the stuff from, make sure you check out the intro video where I took you guys along with me shopping. I showed some of that stuff. But ain't it cute? I'm so hype. I think I did great. We just left Big Lots. Thanks. We just left Big Lots. It's a little, what is that? It's a little out my little price range because I like the little, you know, 40% off coupons and all that stuff. The discounts that they be having at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So where you wanna go now? Dang, that was over.
You don't think Marshall's?
We can go in there, girl.
Yes, look.
Alright, so I guess we heading to Marshall's. She all snapping away at the bag. Alright, y'all, we'll be back. Oh, this enough. We should have got a cart, huh? Y'all, we supposed to go into one store messing with my mom. Long story short, we ended up going to Michael's instead of where did I say? The other place that I said. Where did I say? Oh, Marshall's. Okay. We ended up going to Michael's instead of Marshall's, and now she went over to the Christmas tree shop store. She is just in the mood, okay? So now we probably about to be out all night. We finally made it back home. We got a ton of stuff. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I put everything together. Right now I'm about to go edit a vlog, and then we're gonna put all of this together. Honey, it's about to be so cute. I'm so excited. I finally decorated the dining room. Well, not completely. My mom did some stuff, but I just wanted to come back and show you guys what I did. All right, y'all. So I saw this little idea on Pinterest, and I just had to try it. A two-tiered, I'm not sure what you would call it, but I'm gonna tell you guys where the stuff came from. So these two little stuffy things came from Christmas Tree Shop, and the milk for Santa came from Hobby Lobby. These cups came from the Christmas Tree Shop. This thing came from Hobby Lobby. That little candy right there came from Hobby Lobby. The ornament that looked like it could be hot chocolate came from Michael's. The sign came from the Christmas Tree Shop, and these little the greenery part came from Michael's. I think I covered everything. I just wanted to tell you guys where this part came from because I don't think it was shown in the vlog of us like shop with us or whatever. And this thing, damn, where I get this from? Oh, the two-tier thingy came from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a happy holiday, and yeah, thanks for watching.